guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Cheyenne, aka Crazy CC2. Now in this video I'll be showing you how I organize and declutter my iPhone 11 Pro Max, so stay tuned to see how I do it. Hi guys, so basically the main goal of me organizing everything is just to have everything on one page and for me to label each folder exactly what it means, because right now I have a lot of games that are spread out and I need to put it in one little folder and rename each folder as it is. As I go along, I will get a new picture for my background just to make everything look appealing, I guess. When you click on your phone and you see a good background, for me it puts me in a better mood, clears my mind. So like this folder is like all my shopping, so I'm just going to title it shopping, and this one is like food and deliveries, etc. Some apps I don't need, so I'm going to delete it. So I hope you find this video a little bit satisfying and to keep you going throughout the day now that we're all at home. This is something everybody that can do at home. Trust me, once you like clear up your phone, it honestly is like a big weight lifted off your shoulder. Because like everybody uses their phone like all the time, every day. You can't tell me in this generation that you don't have a phone. So when you go through it, you clean it up, you organize it, it just makes that little bit of your day better and brighter. So stay tuned to see how I do it, and thank you very much. Okay, now this is where I get all my background. It's called Everpix. You have different selections on your left hand side, and I think I went into the most popular one, and the one I chose eventually is the Oriental Design, this one. So I saved it. I should have went to my wallpaper and just changed the background. Resize it and then set it to your home screen, and voila, it looks so much more brighter, more cleaner, more a crisp edge, and I like it. This is just the finishing touches, how I want little apps to be replaced, and there we have it, guys. Now I'm doing the finishing touches, where I'm just going to go into apps and rename them what they are. Like this is a folder I do not use, so I literally put apps I don't use at all. I shouldn't really have it, but you have apps on your phone that you don't necessarily use, so that's why. Thank you everyone for watching and clicking on this video. If you've made it to the end, please put the comment grapes in the comment section. I really appreciate everyone who clicks on the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.